Did you know that there's a sneaky way to turn pins into profit on Pinterest? And most people don't even realize it. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the hidden strategies that could skyrocket your marketing game and make your business soar. Stay tuned, because missing out on this insider knowledge might just mean leaving money on the table. Step 1. Creating a Pinterest business account is your first step toward unlocking the platform's potential for driving traffic and sales. It's simple and free. Just head over to Pinterest for Business and follow the prompts to set up your account. Make sure to choose a business profile instead of a personal one. This will give you access to valuable analytics and promotional tools. Once your account is set up, the next step is completing your profile. Think about relevant keywords that describe your business and incorporate them into your bio. This helps Pinterest understand what your content is about and improves your discoverability in searches. Consider also including a captivating profile picture or logo that resonates with your brand identity. Now, let's talk about rich pins. These are a fantastic way to enhance your content's visibility. Rich pins provide more information directly on the pin itself and can include details like pricing, availability, and product descriptions. To set this up, you'll need to apply for rich pins through Pinterest and add some meta tags to your website. This might sound a bit technical, but Pinterest has great guides to help you through the process. Optimizing your Pinterest account with these elements sets a strong foundation for your marketing efforts. Are you ready to start crafting pins that not only capture attention but also drive meaningful engagement? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with the Passive Profits Blueprint mini course. Tailored to shift you from planning to action, this course teaches you to build a passive income stream quickly and effectively. Learn to achieve your financial goals with clarity and confidence. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Visit digmarketing101.com/course. Access your blueprint to success and start your journey to financial independence today. Step 2. Crafting and optimizing your pins is a crucial step for success on Pinterest. First, focus on creating visually appealing designs that speak to your target audience. High-quality images are non-negotiable. They catch the eye and draw users in. Think about the style and aesthetics your audience loves. You can also use tools like Canva to create stunning graphics effortlessly. Next, let's talk about descriptions. Your pin's description should be rich in keywords relevant to your content. This is how Pinterest algorithm understands what your pins are about, improving your chances of being discovered. Use clear, concise language and consider including a call to action. For instance, telling viewers what they'll gain by clicking the pin can boost engagement rates. In addition to keywords, don't underestimate the power of hashtags. Strategic hashtags can extend the reach of your pins beyond your immediate followers, opening the door to a wider audience. Aim for a mix of popular and niche hashtags to boost your visibility. Consistency is vital on Pinterest, and that's where scheduling tools like Tailwind come into play. Regularly pinning content keeps your brand in the minds of your audience and helps maintain engagement. By scheduling your pins, you can ensure a steady stream of content, even when life gets busy. Are you ready to elevate your pin game and see more engagement on your posts? Step 3. Tracking your performance on Pinterest is essential for growth, and that's where Pinterest Analytics comes in. This powerful tool allows you to monitor how your pins are performing in real time. Check which pins are getting the most clicks, saves, and impressions. By diving into this data, you can refine your strategy, putting more focus on what resonates with your audience. Are you noticing certain themes or styles that perform better? Use these insights to guide your future content creation. Now, let's talk about group boards. Joining these collaborative spaces can dramatically increase your visibility. When you share your pins with a larger audience, you tap into new followers who may not have discovered you otherwise. Look for group boards within your niche that align with your content and contribute regularly. This not only broadens your reach, but also positions you alongside other influential pinners in your field. Pinterest ads is another avenue worth exploring. While organic content is valuable, investing in promoted pins can deliver immediate results. With targeted advertising, you can showcase your best performing content to specific audiences who are more likely to engage. This enhances your brand awareness and can lead to increased traffic to your website or online store. Don't forget about trending topics. Keeping an eye on what's currently popular on Pinterest can inspire your pin creation and capture attention. Make sure your content aligns with these trends but still feels authentic to your brand. With these advanced strategies in your toolkit, scaling your efforts and building a strong presence on Pinterest becomes not just possible, but inevitable. So, what strategies will you implement first to elevate your Pinterest game?